Our school team has joined football championship. The total amount of prize money that we got is 40,000 ringgit. It is stated that the prize money for a win is 5,000 ringgit. The prize money for a draw is 3,000 ringgit and a lose is 1,000 ringgit. But all the data taken was gone, so we did not remember the number of wins, draws, and losses that our school team got. From what we did remember is that the sum number of draw and losses is equal to the number of win. To get all the information, we decided to use matrices to find the solution. We assume that the number of win is x, the number of draws is y, and the number of losses is z.
From the information given, we get this equation 5,000x, 3,000y, 1,000z is equal to 40,000. To make the calculation more easier, we simplify it by dividing it with 1,000 each value. And after we simplify it is 5x plus 3y and 1z equal to 40. And for this equation, we get that all the measures is 12. And for the third equation, we get that the number of win is sum of number of lose and draws. So we move these two to the left side, making it x negative y negative z equal to 0. And then with this equation, we form it to metric form. This metric we assume it as a, and this one is we assume it as x. And for this, we assume it as b. From this equation, we get that ax equal to b. So, what we need to find is the value of x. To get only x on the left side, we multiply a with a inverse. X equal to also to the right side. A inverse, multiply it with b. Then this will form an identity x is equal to a inverse b. Thus, x is equal to a inverse b.
Okay, now we want to find the x value. So before that, we must search this value a inverse. So we know that A inverse, the formula of A inverse is this: 1 over M modulus A adjoint A. So before we can get this A inverse, we must get this modulus A. So if we want to find the modulus A, we use diagonal expansion. So I have write this. So 5 times 1 times negative 1 will be negative 5. This 3 times 1 times 1 will be 3. 1 times 1 times negative 1 will be negative 1. So in this side, we must put the negative. So negative 8. So this, we start with this. 3 times 1 times negative 1 will be negative 3. 5 times 1 times negative 1 will be negative 5. So 1 times 1 times 1 will be 1. So you calculate this. Negative 5 plus 3 negative 1 will be negative 3. This value is negative 3 negative 5 plus 1 is equals to negative 7. So negative 7 times the negative sign this negative sign times with the negative 7. So it will be positive 7. So negative 3 plus 7 is equals to 4. So we have now we have the value of A modulus. So next we must okay, now we have the value of A modulus. So next we need to find the adjoint A. So the adjoint A is this. So adjoint A we must do this. Plus minus plus negative minus plus negative plus and this. So we can get this 0. To solve this, we use AD minus BC. So we can get this to 0. For example, 1 is negative 1 times 1 because this is A, B, C, and D. So AD minus BC. Okay. So we can we calculate this because this 0 to negative 2 to negative 6 add 2 negative 4 and 2. So we do not forget this transpose. So if we transpose, we will get this 0 to 2 to negative 2 negative 4 negative 2 8 and 2. So we have the adjoint A, adjoint for A. Now we have all this information. So just put so we calculate this will be 0 1 over 2 1 over 2 1 over 2 3 over 2 1 24 over 2 2 and 1 over 2. So we have the A inverse. After that okay. So after that we have find this the inverse. So we just multiply by B. So we can get this. This is A matrix A. This is matrix for B. So we multiply this to this and get 6. Same to this. Multiply by this, you can get this 2. And this, you can get this 4. So the number of wins X is equal to 6. Number of draw Y is equals to 2. Number of lose is Z is equal to 4. So that's it.
As we are already know how many did our school team wins, draws and loses, now we want to know the net income of the team. We are all informed that the participation fee for each match is 2,000 ringgit, and for each win, the fee is refunded.
If the participation fee is 2,000 for each match, and for each win, the fee is refunded. The fee find the net income for the team. Okay, the net income equal to total amount of price minus fee plus refund. Okay, the total amount of prize money is 40,000 minus mesh, we have 12 mesh, and fee is 2,000 plus refund. We win is 6 divide 2,000. Alright. Okay. So we just solve it. Plus 12. Alright. And the final answer is 28. So the net income of the team is 28,000. Alright.